Welcome. The next line where we had been finished. The today we will start the next line in Indian related to Indian histories. The literatures of Vedic traditions in the year 600 BC to 600 AD. There are six famous Smritis. Number one, Manu Smritis in brackets pre-Gupta period. The oldest Smriti text commentators Vishwarupa Meghatithi, Govind Raj, Kulluk Bhatt. Number two, Yajnavalakya Smritis in bracket pre-Gupta period. Commentators Vishwarupa, Bijneshwar, Apar in bracket a king of Salihar densities. Number 3, Narad Smritis in bracket Gupta period. Number 4, Prasar Smritis in bracket Gupta period. Number 5, Brihaspati Smritis Gupta period. Number 6, Katyan Smritis in bracket Gupta period. There are mainly two Mahakavyas in brackets epics. Number 1, Ramayana written by Valmiki. It is known as Adi Kavyas in bracket the oldest epic of the world bracket closed. At present it consists 24,000 sloks, that is verses in bracket originally 6,000, later 12,000, finally 24,000 bracket close in 7 kandas, that is sections. First and 7 kandas were the latest additions to the Ramayana. Number 2, the Mahabharata written by Ved Vyas, the longest epic of the world. At present it consists of 1 lakh sloks, that is verses in bracket originally 8,800. Jai Sanhita, later 24,000. Chaturvinasati Shastri Sanhita oblique Bharat. Finally 1 lakh Sata Sahistri Sanhita Mahabharat bracket close in 80 parvans, that is chapters plus the Harivash supplement. Bhagavad Gita is extracted from Bhishma Parvan of Mahabharat. Shanti Parvan is the largest parvas of the Mahabharat. The Up-Vedas in brackets auxiliary Vedas were traditionally associated with Vedas. Up-Vedas, Ayurveda, that is medicines, associated with Rig Veda. Gandhar Veda, that is music, associated with Sham Veda. Dhanu Veda, that is archery, associated with Yajur Veda. Number and last, Silpa Vedas oblique Earth Veda, that is the science of Earth Vedas, craft, wealth. Rig Veda oblique early Vedic period in the brackets in the year 1500 BC to 1000 BC. Geographical area. Rig Veda is the only sources of knowledge for this period. Rig Veda people who called themselves Aryans were confined in the area which came to be known as Sapta Sindhu, that is land of 7 rivers. Sapta Sindhu comprises Sindhu and their 5 tributaries Vitasta, Askani, Vipash, Purushni and Saturdhari and Saraswati. According to the Rig Veda, the most mentioned river Sindhu, the most pious rivers Saraswati. Mentions of the Gangas first times, mentions of the Yamuna 3 times. The Rashtra was ruled by a king or Rajan, and the royal descent was by hereditary, based on the law of primogeniture, probably elective. Monarchies was also known. Very little is known about ministers of the king. The Purohit or domestic priest was the first ranking official. He was king, preceptors, friends, philosophers and guide. Other important royal officials were Senani in bracket army chief and Gramani, head of the village. Rig Veda speaks an assemblies such as Shabha, Samiti, Vida, Vidat, Gana. Shabha was committed of few privileged and important society. The Rig Veda society comprised four varnas, namely Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. The classifications of societies was based on the professions or occupations of the individual. Teacher and priest were called Brahmins. Rurals and administrators were called Kshatriyas. Farmer, merchants, and bankers were called Vaishya's. And art and artisans and laborers were reckoned as Shudras. Members of the same family took to different professions and belonged to different varnas as well, illustrated by a hymns of Rig Vedas. In the hymns, a person say, "I am a singer, my father is a physician, my mother is a gardener of corn." Alcoholic drinks, sura and soma were also consumed. Religions. During the Rig Veda time, the gods' worships were generally the personified powers of nature. It was believed that divine powers were capable of conferring both boons and punishments of man. Fire was sacred as it was regarded to be an intermediary between man and God. Economy. The Aryans crossed the nomadic states, yet great importance was attached to herd of cattle. Various animals were domesticated. Later Vedic periods in the year 1000 BC to 600 BC. Geographical area. During the later Vedic periods, the Aryan settlements covered virtually the whole of the northern India. Types of Hindus marriage. Vivah, Kandhar Vivah, love marriage. Name of the Mahajanpad. Mahajanpad period in the year 600 BC to 325 BC. 16 Mahajanpads, modern area and their capitals. Ang, district of Munger and Bhagalpur in Bihar. Capital Champa, Champangari. Number second, Magध, district of Patna, Gaya and Nalanda in Bihar. Capital Girivraj, Rajgir, Patliputra, Vaishali, Patliputra. Number 3, Vajji, district of Muzaffarpur and Vaishali in Bihar. Capital Videha, Mithila, Vaishali. Number 4, Malla, districts of Devariya, Basti, Gorakhpur and Siddharth Nagar in UP. The capital Kusinara and Pava. Number 5th, Kashi, district of Varanasi in UP. Capital Varanasi. Number 6, Kaushala, district of Faizabad, Gonda, Bahraj in UP. Capitals North Kaushal, Sarvasti, Sahet, Mahet, South Kaushal, Saket, Ayodhya. Number 7, Vatsa, district of Allahabad, Mirzapur in UP. The capital Kaushambi. The number 8, Sedi in the area of Bundelkhand area. Capital Shaktimati. Number 9, Kuru in Haryana and Delhi area. Capitals Indraprasth. Number 10, Panchal in bracket Ruhelkhand, Western UP. The capital North Panchals, Achiltara, South Panchals, Kamphilia. Number 11 Sursena